First, let me introduce the animals can be classified into two main groups: vertebrates and invertebrates. The main difference between vertebrates and invertebrates is that invertebrates, like insects and flatworms, do not have a backbone nor a spinal column. Examples of vertebrates include humans, birds, and snakes.
Sensory receptors. A lateral line is a sense organ of microscopic pores used to detect movement and vibration in the surrounding water. Located just under the skin, the lateral line consists of sensory receptors called neuromasts. When the cilia in the neuromasts vibrate, the fish can feel.
Endocrine system. Most fishes have a unique neurosecretory neurohemal organ, the urophysis, which is associated with the spinal cord at the base of the tail. Circulatory system. Fish have a closed circulatory system with a heart that pumps blood around the body in a single loop from the heart to the gills, from the gills to the rest of the body, and then back to the heart. The fish's heart consists of four parts: the sinus venosus, atrium, ventricle, and the bulbus arteriosus. Protection. When they sense danger, they fill their stomachs with water, or air if they are out of water. This exposes sharp spines that cover their bodies. This makes them less inviting for predators to catch. Their skin and some internal organs contain tetrodotoxins, which are highly toxic substances. Support and movement work in concert to overall organism survival. Fish support and movement are crucial for overall organism survival. Support structures like bones and cartilage provide the framework for fish to maintain their shape and protect vital organs. Movement allows fish to navigate their environment, find food, escape predators, and reproduce. Together, these functions enable fish to adapt to their surroundings and fulfill their ecological roles within aquatic ecosystems. Sensory receptors. The sensory organs of gastropods, snails and slugs, include olfactory organs, eyes, statocysts and mechanoreceptors. Endocrine system. The gastropods are endocrine organs which are involved in the regulation of reproductive processes. The optic glands stimulate the differentiation of the sex cells, spermatogenesis and vitellogenesis, and the growth of the female tract. The male tract is controlled by these glands via the testis.
Circulatory system. Snails are slow-moving creatures that have an open circulatory system. In an open circulatory system, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood are not separated into a system of arteries and veins. Oxygenated blood from the gills flows into the heart and then out into sinuses. Protection. By eating food rich in lime, the snail builds its shell, which provides protection against predators. The shell provides extra protection against drying out and can be closed off with a slime or lime layer during dry periods. We usually call all snail-like animals without shells that live on land slugs. Supporting and movement work in concert the overall organism survival. It has a thick structure called as the foot. It moves by gliding along on the muscular foot. The foot is covered with the epithelium cilia. Successive waves of muscular contraction that travels down the ventral of the foot help snail in moving. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching.